Hey guys, welcome to another video here on my channel. For those of you that are new, my name is Lakia and welcome to the Chaotic Critic family. For my returning subscribers, welcome back. Here on my channel, I share planning and organizational videos, plus so much more. The whole premise of my channel is to share with you guys how I'm crushing the chaos in my life with hopes that you'll be inspired and encouraged to crush the chaos in yours. Today's video is going to be a sticker haul featuring the shop's sweet tea plans and gold paper prints. I use stickers primarily in my memory planner, and I will have details to the shops that I'm featuring as well as all things memory planning in the description box below. Let's go ahead and get right into the haul. When it comes to buying stickers, I prefer to shop when I have a coupon code, so I usually wait for sales. Even when I'm shopping in stores, I love to use some type of coupon code that's available. So Instagram, even though you may not have one, Instagram is a great resource for keeping up with all of the planner sales, but also seeing what the shops have to offer. They may even have a coupon code that you can use anytime in their bio, and when you purchase from them, they may send another coupon code along the way. On Instagram, you can also find out the shops that are offering PR codes. So there's a plethora of ways that you can get coupon codes for different shops on Instagram. It's a great resource. So with these stickers that I purchased, I know gold paper prints I purchased quite a bit. I purchased, I think, 2 kits and then some of the functional stickers, and then from Sweet Tea Plans, I purchased 3 kits. When I'm purchasing stickers for my memory planner, I look not just at kits that I'll be using for the remainder of this year, but functional stickers that I can add in so that I'm just not writing all the time. So you'll see all of that. Let's go ahead and start off with Sweet Tea Plans first. So Sweet Tea Plans, here are the 2 samplers that came with the order. And then I decided to go with the B6 style kit so that I could have more space, more white space, I should say, in my spread. So this sheet here, you have the date headers. Well, the date headers, then you have 4 full boxes, and then these 2 half boxes, some quarter boxes, and then 4 full boxes and 4 half boxes and 2 quarter boxes. Now with the hearts over here, I am not a fan of the check marks, but I could easily turn a sticker to the side and put it over here, even stack 2 of these together and turn it into a full box. So there's a lot of ways that I can maximize this. And the same thing with the checklist. I could use these as decorations. The headers, the to-do, I'm not a huge fan of to-do headers, so not sure what I'm going to do with those just yet, but there's icons here, some more quarter boxes, and then we have some washi strips as well. And then the currently reading and binge watching would be perfect to fill in, and then bill due, I could put that in my memory planner just to put it there. Now this layout is the same in the other 2 kits that I purchased from her shop. This one is aesthetic, which I love the black and white. And then this one, which I've seen in not just her shop, I saw it in another shop as well. This one is foodie. And I love this one. I can't wait to put this one in my memory planner. So that is that. And this one actually I may end up putting on 4th of July week because I wasn't sure exactly which one I would put in my planner for that. So that is it from Sweet Tea Plans. Then for gold paper prints, here are the 2 freebies that came with this order. And I'll start off with the kits first, and then we'll go through the functional stickers. So here is Staycation. And I chose the sheets that I wanted. So here are the full boxes. You get 9. And if you guys checked out my previous plan with me, I'll have, again, all things memory planning linked in the description box. You can take full boxes like this and maximize it and put it between 2 spreads so that you're not just putting them in one, and it gives you a little more white space if that's something that you're interested in. But again, stretching your stickers a little bit more in your planner. So here's 9 full boxes, and then here are the half and quarter boxes here. And then we have some some trackers down here, and then some checklists. And then we have the date headers. I love these number stickers because I can use these in any spread. And then some regular tabs here: laundry, work, clean, payday, dinner, and so on and so forth, and then some other headers down here and a weekend banner and some icons. I really prefer shops that don't just have their kits like a set price, but you can also purchase a la carte, so you can pick and choose what you want from that particular kit. Then I have this one, Choose Joy. So here are the full boxes. Here is that sheet again, more functional. And then here are the half and quarter boxes. And these I love to use for TV shows, but you can always pop an icon over here in the corner as well. Then as far as the functional stickers, I got Fold the Effing Laundry. I'll go ahead and zoom in for this part. So Fold the Effing Laundry. No shits were given today. And with her shop, she did have where you could choose different color schemes. I went with the neutral ones. Snowstorm, hoping that we don't get any more snow. Video chat, movie night, watch the game, RIP for those days that I am extremely exhausted, mental health day, family time, and then I got some TV ones, Netflix, Hulu, CBS, and Prime. So love that. Then if you guys are looking for more stickers that are this size and icons in general, Piper Paper Company has great deals on her stickers as well. I mean, I purchased a ton. I did a reel of this on my Instagram. So we have Sunday Reset, Happy Mail. I have 2 variations of the Happy Mail. Here's the other one. Happy Birthday, 2 variations of that. Takeout night, had to get duplicates. Trying to cut back on the takeout though. Run errands. Day off. And one thing I do if I have multiple consecutive days off, I'll just use washi tape to go across those days. Then we have the delivery box. I just realized that she has the name of the sticker sheets at the bottom. Fill orders, got duplicates of those. You can check out my shop, 15roses.com. These are YouTube binge and these are transparent. Then there's the plan next week. Girls night. Another one of the delivery boxes. I try to keep them together, my duplicates. Listen to an audiobook. Let me know your audiobook recommendations in the comments. Read a book. Another Happy Mail one. I got some Chick-fil-A ones. She has different variations of the Chick-fil-A as well. Then this one, Self-Care Night with the candle, get work done. Another work one. Shopping Day. Netflix binge, which I have not had one yet. And then I got 2 of the post office run. So what I love about this shop is that her stickers, one, these cost I think like $1.25. I happened to get all of these when she had them for 75 cents. And again, I found out about this shop on Instagram. Whether people you're following are tagging these shops or you just happen to come across them when you're browsing through different hashtags, Instagram is a great resource for finding the different shops that are in the planner community than just the same ones that you may come across here on YouTube. So those are the 3 shops. I threw in Piper Paper Company, but again, we have Gold Paper Prints, and then Sweet Tea Plans, and then Piper Paper Company. And I will have all shops linked in the description box for your convenience, as well as all things memory planning. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Let me know down in the comments section, what was your favorite shop from this haul? Have you heard about these shops? What stickers are you currently purchasing? What's on your audiobook playlist from these stickers? Y'all go ahead, comment down below. Would love to chat with you there. Again, be sure to check out all the links in the description box, which will have links to not only what I have featured, but the links to my shop, Shop 15 Roses. Head over to 15roses.com, and of course follow me on Instagram. My shop Instagram is at Shop 15 Roses, and my planning, all things productive, and me, just more of me over on Chaotic Critic. Thank you guys so much. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. And for all of you that are, I thank you. I love you guys. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.